It still sounds like a bad joke, but in fact, the Iowa Supreme Court has confirmed its earlier ruling that an employer can fire a worker for being too pretty. Vanessa Peng of our Des Moines affiliate KCCI has that story.
For the second time, the Iowa Supreme Court rules bosses can fire their employees for being too irresistible. Dental assistant Melissa Nelson sued her former boss, Fort Dodge dentist Dr. James Knight, for firing her for being too attractive and a threat to his marriage. The ruling states, when an employer takes an adverse employment action because of a gender-specific characteristic, that can violate the civil rights laws. The record in this case, however, does not support such an allegation. The court reached the same decision in December, but it was ultimately thrown out amid controversy. Nelson spoke to us in January.
I did my job to the best of my abilities. I worked hard. I think that that's a good reason to have somebody employed for you, is because they're willing to work hard and put in the time and the effort. You don't fire somebody because you can't control your feelings or feelings have grown.
In the lawsuit, Nelson says she was ultimately fired because she's a woman. But the justices say her firing was not sex discrimination because it was based on emotions, not gender. Stuart Cochran, Knight's attorney, did not want to go on camera, but he did release a statement that says in part, the decision was necessary for work and his family, and he didn't do anything that he thought was discriminatory towards her as a woman. For CBS This Morning, Saturday, Vanessa Peng, Des Moines, Iowa.